welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the beautiful smoky eye makeup look. Here first I am using the coal kajal to my waterline. This is the gel eyeliner. Using the small brush, apply on my lid. Next I am using the black eyeshadow to set the gel eyeliner on my lid space. Using the small brush, I am using the brown color eyeshadow to blend the black eyeshadow to remove the harsh line. Blend it properly. Next, I am using the angular brush to the lower lash line to smudge the lash line. Next I am applying the highlighter on my brow bone and inner corner also. To finish this makeup look, I am applying the mascara. If you like this simple smoky eye makeup look, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching my video.